Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download the YouTube app on your system. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you receive notifications whenever I post a new video. Thank you. So here we are on Chrome browser. So on the search field, we are going to type in youtube.com. So now that our YouTube is open, the next thing to do is to hover to the top right corner of your screen where you have these three dots, and then you click on it, and you scroll down, you look for this button right here that is labeled More Settings. So when you click on More Settings, a list of options drops down, and then you click on Create Shortcuts. So when you click on Create Shortcuts, this dialog box pops up, and then the next thing to do is to click on Create. So after clicking on Create, you go to your desktop, and then on your desktop you see the YouTube app there. So let's click on it to see if it actually works. So that is it right there. So that's how you get YouTube on your PC. So if you find this video helpful, do want to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit on that bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I post a new video. Thank you, and see you on the next one.